On this trip, we spent our entire time driving around the island, visiting popular places like the Giant's Causeway, the Cliffs of Insanity, also known as the Cliffs of Moher, sneaking up on the locals, eating some of the most delicious soup I've ever had, and spending the night in the castle for Roy's 40th birthday. We may have come here for the whiskey, the fun, the laughs, and the views, but I'm really here for the cows. So we made it through TSA. The travel team is headed to Ireland this trip. This is Roy's 40th birthday, and he actually picked a vacation for once, which is different. Yeah, but really, really excited because we've been talking about this one for a while. Jenny went here 2 years ago, and she's pretty much going to be our guide. Roy slept terrible last night, so did I, but he just reminded me that I kept swinging my arm last night, and then I remembered that I stuck my hand in his mouth at one point. I don't know why.
I slept fine after she got out of bed. Weird.
Get on the plane and that's when I'll
Go pee in a little tiny bathroom stall. Hold on, wait for me.
She's got to get more water so it just goes through.
She has to get the replenish before she evacuates.
Hydration is key.
You too. He remembered.
From Mexico?
No, he was the one that checked my bag, and I said, "You can call me."
Oh, Mariel, ma'am.
Yeah.
More information about our arrival.
And now it's stuck. And now it's stuck. This is very anticlimactic.
You're not gonna practice?
Hang on. Just looking for those views.
She, I feel like she's only half joking because she did have the flu yesterday. So we might steal a few more.
I got 2. We got 3. I think we're all right. We're all right. We're ready. We're ready.
Someday I'm gonna figure out how to make your voice ringtone.
No, because you just got a perfect good clip on there.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Whew, it was a bumpy one. We made it. It was a good landing. It just was really bumpy coming in. So I think the plan is to go find some food now. Bathroom first, yes.
Hey, Roy! Where are we going?
Well, I'm going to Ireland with you.
Sweet. Hey!
That was so good. Like, that's so weird.
10 out of 10, Weston. Well done.
I got a lot of comments from people coming out of the plane.
Were any of them
A lot of Roy?
Roy?
One was.
Oh,
He's like, who are you?
So, for those of you who don't recognize him, that was my brother who greeted us at the exit of the plane debarking, getting off the plane. He's flying to San Antonio for work today, and we didn't tell Roy. Worked out perfect. Look at that bromance. I wish somebody loved me like that. We are headed to the lounge right now. Hopeful that we're going to be able to get in right away. Last time I walked by, they were, was it the Wet Bandits? Oh. I don't know Home Alone.
But they argued over what name they should have.
Oh. So last time I walked by the Capital Lounge, or Capital One Lounge entry, they had a waiting list, which good for them. Good for them. Not good for me. But let's see if we can get in.
I'm now nervous.
Just act natural.
See, you're gonna. Everybody's gonna be asleep on the plane, and you're gonna be like.
I
she's gonna do is she's gonna pack it all the way to Ireland.
Yeah.
And then be like, oh, I'm so
It's gonna be
glad."
so
No,
smashed
I
and
have-
just like a mess.
Yes.
For the record, I have every one that I have bought, smashed or not, dried or not, gets eaten. And it doesn't matter if
But
it's 3
you-
days after I get home, it gets eaten.
Oh shit, boarding begins at 9:25.
Oh God, we gotta go.
I forgot about it. But that was a way better thing than last.
Oh my gosh. All right, so we are loading up for DC now. It's gonna, what, 3 hours, 3.5 hours?
Sure.
Sleep.
This is the big boy plane.
We need to find puke bags.
I was gonna say, did you find the puke bags?
Found one. Ooh, mine comes with 2 already.
So they knew.
Yeah.
Poison on its side. On its side.
Wait, it's out of here.
Now to start the 6.5 hour layover. It's gonna be tough. It's been several years since I've gone through this airport, and I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah, me and my husband are trying to use.
We're gonna figure it out though.
Terminal shows
Has it changed at all with King Charles taking the throne? This feels like a library.
I love everybody moving out of the way for it.
And it says dish.
It's so adorable.
So, it was not a good lounge.
Well, it's just crowded.
It's like sitting in a library.
If you wanted quiet,
Yeah, that was austere. So now we're gonna go try the Turkish Airlines lounge. So, priority pass. I'm hoping it's gonna be better than Lufthansa. It's gotta be, right? It's gotta be. First thoughts, I like this one better. I have noticed the line for the bathroom is weirdly long.
That's because they only have 4 single bathrooms.
Oh, really? And if one's taken up by a shower. Or a couple of them, I suppose. Makes sense. I'm gonna get a Turkish coffee.
Yeah.
But you're
you want
having
to get coffee? Why can't drink it?
I'll get 2 cups.
Oh yeah, I know.
Okay.
This weekend.
It looks like coconut.
Yeah, go ahead.
So hot. Yeah, not there yet. Very strong.
It's like drinking silk. Turkish.
Dude, check out the Turkish tea though. Yeah. I don't know where you get that.
Okay, so we've done the Turkish coffee, and now we're gonna do the Turkish tea. The chi.
Take 2.
Whoops. I'm tripping over my words. I'm quite tired. I'm just wasted off that 1 glass of champagne, you know? I'm dipping my hair in my tea. My champers.
Tasty, tasty.
Ugh, molten. Ugh. It's okay, I didn't need that tongue. All right, the Turkish Airline Lounge. Fantastic. Only thing, the food was great. The drinks were good. It was louder than the last one, but still quiet. Yeah.
And you didn't feel like you
Disturbing everybody, yeah.
We could have normal conversations
Mhm.
without
Yep.
having
With
to
these
be
2
quiet.
loud ones?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. We were nice and loud and normal.
The only downside, I think, was the whole 2 bathroom situation. It needed more biffies, for sure. But it was really good. Worth it. It makes my heart so happy that I have people like this in my life and that they get along so well and that we are the trio. I love it. All right, group 1, here we come. Going to Ireland.
Thank you. Exit. We're going to give one a help in case of emergency. You're going to exit. Thank you. Good. Thank you. Exit roll. Yep.
And yes.
Thank you.
Thanks. Put your bag under the seat.
Do something. It has to go under my seat this way.
Yeah,
That
come on.
way.
Let's see it. Yeah. Okay, so this one
We're watching
is
something already. Roy.
7 hours.
We better get a move on it. There's only so many
It's
episodes.
gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Well, no, I straight up was like, okay.
Jenny
we
didn't
gotta
have a
figure
TV
out-
on the first flight. It was broken.
No, like,
Come on.
I know. I gotta get my, ooh, this is gonna
And
be
now
nice.
she doesn't have one on this flight.
And
She's moving in on my man.
Oh, dude.
We're turning on the TV. We'll watch what I want.
Come on over.
2 hours.
Get ready for landing by putting away your carry-on items, taking your seats, and fastening your seatbelt. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for landing. We'll be coming by one final time to collect any remaining items.
Almost there. 30 more minutes. Yay! Made it. We're in Ireland now. Yay! Now we're gonna go find our car and our bags. Yeah. So it begins. My passport. Yep. Alrighty. Ooh.
This is it. I just took my Dramamine.
This is a trip. Roy, you're on the wrong side of the car. He used to be a mailman, so if anybody can do it, it's gonna be this guy. You look absolutely ginormous in this car.
It's a tiny car.
It was the biggest of the tiny. Oh, it's a Sunday! Yay! All right, let's go to the museum. Roy, I'm gonna lose you in a crowd. I'm gonna accidentally take home the wrong man. And be like, ah, who are you? I've been telling you my name is Sean for a week.
Shut up,
God damn it, my name's not Roy, it's Matthew Quigley.
We are here at the Epic Immigration Museum. We're gonna go check out and see the history of immigration here in Ireland. So, good first day, good first thing.
We're gonna get our first steak.
All those who have passed through its lands.
More than 300 were injured. It was the worst single death toll in the Northern Irish Troubles.
Suitably dressed in emerald green, the Queen took a historic step into the Republic.
Ábhachtúráin agus a chuide.
According, what they say is that it's supposed to look like a bunch of straggling victims from the famine walking along a road looking for help.
It does look, it's very haunting.
Oh, there's the one that gets me. The pupper.
Yay!
We're so close.
So close.
This is it.
Teeny tiny.
Remember what I say. They'll flog the poaching out of you when you come to Botany Bay. You will labour hard upon the swamp, and none will hear your tales. No more you'll take the dog and gun when you come to New South Wales.
Come on, Jenny.
And this, take my tip, before you ship to join the Arden gang, don't get too gay on Botany Bay, or else you'll surely hang. You will surely hang, and slowly, lad. And after that, Jim Jones, it's high on the gallows tree. The crows will pick your bones. For the wind blew high upon the sea, and the pirates came along. But the soldiers on our convict ship were full 500 strong. They have opened fire and somehow drove that pirate ship away. I'd have rather joined that pirate ship than come to Botany Bay. For it's day and night the Ardens clank, and like poor galley slaves, we toil, and when we die, must build this on our graves. But by and by I'll break me chain, into the bush I'll go, and I'll join the brave bush rangers there. Jack and go. And some dark night when everything is silent in the town, I'll kill those tyrants one by one, I'll shoot the lovers down. I will give the law a little check, remember what I say, they'll yet regret they sent Jim Jones in chains to Botany Bay. Yes, some dark night when everything is silent in the town, I'll kill those bastards one by one, I'll shoot the lovers down. I will give the law a little shock, remember what I say, they yet regret they sent Jim Jones in chains to Botany Bay.
Open the door.